In the depths of advanced laboratories, where the boundaries of the impossible fade away, a new test to understand the laws of the universe begins. The massive vacuum chamber doors seal shut with absolute precision, declaring a complete isolation from the outside world. Scientists raise their eyes in eager anticipation toward the towering structures, where a new experiment in physics history is about to be written. Analog and digital control panels prepare for action, and meters begin recording every minute detail before the launch. Colossal pumps begin extracting every single molecule of air, leaving an absolute vacuum inside the massive chamber. A heavy metallic sphere and a delicate bird feather are placed side by side at a single starting line, awaiting the moment of truth. Here stands the human mind in contemplation, explaining the philosophy of bodies and air resistance that has deceived our eyes for centuries. An overhead view reveals a vast emptiness and a silent world, waiting for the first spark of motion. In normal air, the ball drops steadily while the feather flutters slowly, trapped by wind resistance. The feather tumbles erratically right and left in an air-filled atmosphere, while the ball carves its path indifferently downward. Along the impenetrable metallic walls of the chamber, laboratory lights reflect on an architecture that gives physics its grandeur. Behind the protective glass, the eyes of scientists and engineers gather in intense suspense over what the experiment will yield. The countdown begins, and all eyes monitor the glowing screens moment by moment. 3, 2, 1. A simple click of a button separates us from touching the truth, and the spark of the grand experiment is triggered. At the pinnacle of the tower, the magnetic release clamps snap open simultaneously, beginning the free-fall journey. The metal sphere glides downward with incredible speed and absolute smoothness through a vacuum that offers no resistance. On the other side, the feather descends with grace and astounding smoothness, defying all ancient expectations. A side profile shot documents the physical miracle. The ball and the feather fall side by side at the exact same speed. The feather glides through the absolute vacuum with stability and dignity, free from any atmospheric turbulence or scatter. A wide shot captures the entire vertical drop column, where the heavy and the light meet in a harmonious symphonic scene. Telemetry screens record the acceleration of the objects, proving beyond a doubt their absolute equality in the absence of resistance. Precise data and matching curves appear on the screens, confirming the success of the scientific theory with ultimate precision. Smiles of satisfaction bloom on the faces of the scientists as they watch history being rewritten before their eyes. The objects approach the finish line at high velocity, shattering all flawed misconceptions about weight. At the exact same fraction of a millisecond, the ball and the feather touch the box's platform together. The delicate feather rests gently on top of the heavy metal sphere, acting like a seal on the experiment's success. Feelings of joy and applause erupt among the scientific team, celebrating the triumph of truth over false intuition. A warm smile and a look of pride confirm the immortality of Galileo's law after hundreds of years of neglect and justification. The chamber returns to its majestic silence, and the lights fade away gradually, leaving the echo of discovery eternal. With a new sunrise shining over this scientific landmark, the grandeur of science embodies the unveiling of the universe's secrets.